In 1985, my family and I arrived to the US so my dad could start his PhD. Within 2 years, we moved to New York where my parents became teachers and started grad school. Soon, finding the right high school for me was our family's biggest concern. By 94, my dad started tutoring me and others into schools like Bronx Science. As word spread, students traveled from across New York for tutoring and prep. In 2002, our family was devastated to learn that my father had bone marrow cancer. For 12 years, my mom and I expanded Khan's as my dad fought cancer, finished his PhD, and built Khan's curriculum until his passing in 2014. Families are still dealing with the stress and chaos of high school lottery and college admission, so we actively listened to parent needs and opened our first ever location in New York City, at the confluence of 5th Avenue and Broadway on 23rd Street. Doors open at Khan's New York during Dr. Khan Week. We thank all of his students that continue his legacy. See you all at Khan's Tutorial, New York City.